throw this on the power stroke. Yeah, buddy. He's denting them up. These were good, boy.
Boy, we got
Trust me. These were
3
good.
sets over there.
We got the pipes off. Now we're gonna hear what it sounds like straight pipe.
It's a gear. Let's go get this truck turned on. It's been sitting overnight. Let's see if it will turn on. These Peterbilts, you always gotta try to monkey the key. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Okay. Some of these old trucks, in my opinion, start better than some of the new trucks. I know the old 359 sitting over there, that one, you can let it sit out in the middle of a snowstorm for 3 weeks, come to it and turn it on, it'll start right up. So we'll go ahead and let this truck charge up a little bit. She's really shaking there. You can see my hand moving around. Probably got a little bit of a miss in the motor, but she'll be all right. So we've had some time to kind of look over the frame since we sprayed it yesterday, and it's not looking good. I mean, just for reference, that's my finger and that's the size of the hole. Even in the inside, I think it's earned its name, Old Crusty, but we just have some really soft spots in this frame. Down there too, another one. I don't know if we showed you guys this one up here. And then when you really start looking at the top part of the frame, you could see that bolt there and over here, it's pretty much gone. So it sucks because it looks like we're probably gonna have to do a cutoff. That stupid air tank just gonna keep hissing out air. So probably our best bet is to do a cutoff somewhere right in here, because from here on up, the frame is still really good. So we'll just probably cut that up. Yeah, you can see that. That's pretty bad. I shouldn't be able to see the concrete over there. Well, I guess that's what you get for playing with old trucks. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know we gotta pull these stacks off here. Gotta pull the mirror brackets off. God, I wish I had a tank. I'd throw one on. Probably pull the battery boxes off, pull all these light panels off. And eventually, this is coming off too. So that'll be next. Do the trash. So I tried grinding them. Tried being nice with the impact gun. But when all else fails, you grab the crowbar. Just like that. There's a few little clips on here. It's actually kind of cool they're still here. Well, that's what's kind of left of them. That's what holds it to the underside of the frame. So both on the sleeper and the cab, that's what holds the wiring in place. So you think after 30 years, the clips are still there. Not bad. So there you go. It's out. Could have saved it, right? But they make so many of these parts, it's just worth scrap metal. So off to the scrapyard she goes. What you really look for in these trucks is behind the breathers here, you'll start to see big bubbling. And that's where, from up here at the cowl panel and up there at the corner of the window, water seeps down in, gets inside, starts oxidizing. But that's about as flat as a board, so we'll be good. We'll just clean up all this little oxidizing around here, sandblast it, good as new. So let's go hit the other side. To probably add, people will be like, whoa, why are you taking off all these parts? It's all you guys do is take off parts. Well, truck's got to go to the frame shop, and when it goes to the frame shop, I want them to do the frame, bring it back, and we're pretty much good to go. So I don't want to be taking off the sleeper, taking off all these other little parts when I can just do it right now and knock it out. So that's why we're doing that. Now it should be no time. Look who decided to show up.
Yep. I brought you a Red Bull.
I was drinking something else, but it's doing some hydrating. You see the panels though? We got the light panels off.
He's dentching them up. These were good, boy.
Boy, we got
Trust me. These were
3 sets over there. No, these are the old school setups, and trust if we do them.
drop panels.
Yeah, if we do drop panels on it, so. Looks a lot cleaner.
Yeah. Well, at least you got that before it rains.
What are we making room for? We gotta take them off or something.
Take what?
This off.
Yeah.
The sleeper. So guys, actually for this truck, we've got the day cab company hooked us up with a day cab conversion kit. So we're gonna be converting this whole thing to a day cab setup. It's gonna be nice, I think.
Day cab, and yeah, and then what, the air ride system?
Yeah, and then also Todd over at Day Cab Company, not only do they do the day cab kits or the panel for the back, you can do the Fat Boy setup, which is an additional 5 inches, or you can do just the factory flat panel. And then what's also nice is they sell the air ride conversion kit that you put on your cross member there to put the whole sleep or the whole cab on air. But in doing that, we got to take out the support rods that right now hold the radiator to the cab of the truck. So we'll get it done.
I got a little rain yesterday, so we weren't able to get too much done, but today we're gonna take off the stacks. What else are we gonna do?
We'll take off the stacks, probably pull off the mirror brackets, pull off the visor.
The lights up top.
Yeah, we gotta pull out probably the headlights, and we'll keep the breathers on for now because we still gotta move the truck around.
Yeah, that's gonna.
Then probably the lights and the horns up there, and just throw some tape while it sits outside until we can pull it in the garage. But oh, we gotta pull these panels off down here too. The little cowl panels.
These?
Yeah, those gotta go
Why are we taking those off?
because we'll put the drop panels on it. All right, let's go ahead and grab the tool cart and get working on these stacks. Got the pipe off, side one. Having some issues with these cab mounts.
Yeah. All these always give us problems every time we try to take the older ones off.
Yeah, you can see, I mean, these are just rib nuts that they put in, and then the back here on this one keeps spinning. But
Trust me, boy, it's going along.
so we've got an auction over by our house. We're gonna take this stuff out to the auction and see what we can get for it, because we don't need it anymore.
Throw this on the power stroke. Yeah, buddy.
GoPro, stop recording. Stop recording.
clean and press it.
GoPro, start record. Anybody want a pair of stacks, hit us up. Really nice too. Might have to get a new elbow, but there's no holes in it, just needs cleaned up. There we go. Oh, maybe I have to take 50 bucks off because you probably chipped her up.
I don't see you carrying it. Oh. Huh?
I got the camera, this is more important. We're getting yelled at by our viewers because we don't do enough work, so. Put it on the other side, eh? There we go.
Alright, we got the pipes off. Now we're gonna hear what it sounds like straight pipe.
It's a gear.
Yep. Boy, we can sell that for 100 bucks right
Pieces
there.
of a horn. Another one.
Let's go check on the progress that these two are making. Let's get it. Both those come out, Dave, or no?
They both broke.
Wanna grab it?
Add to the fun. Nice.
Yep. Trust me, I'm doing work.
Swing the tail out because we got to give enough room to come in. Yeah, I'd go back a little bit more. Together. Now they're locked. Well, we went to take off the mirrors, and being these are moto mirrors, we forgot that they're wired in. So that's a rookie.
Heated or do they move?
Well, they're moto, they move and they're heated. So it's all in that one wire. Rookie mistake, but we'll get it fixed.
Got it? Yeah. So the other mirror, the passenger mirror, we didn't want to do this and have a, splices on the outside, so we cut on in the dash, but this one's already cut here, so
We're just gonna cut it out here to make it easier on us and put some better connectors on it when we put it back together. If you guys like what we're doing here on this channel and aren't subscribed already, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you guys can get notified every time we post a new video. And as always, keep them wheels rolling.